Why does your scanner show the P0251 engine code? What does it mean? P0251 is a diagnostic trouble code for injection pump fuel metering control, a malfunction. This engine code indicates that the PCM has detected a loss of continuity or a general failure in the signal circuits between itself and sensors involved in determining the fuel pressure and volume. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Injection pump issues, damaged FRP sensor wiring, ECM malfunction, faulty fuel pressure regulator sensor, fuel system contamination, loose or damaged fuel lines, faulty fuel injectors. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can typically appear in diesel-powered vehicles across various makes and models, including Ford, Chevy, GMC, Ram, Mercedes-Benz, and Volkswagen. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.